The StrongArm ProGlide GL2003 will lessen the impact of your tailgate opening on Ford F-150 models made between 2004 to 2014. This product can only be installed on the driver's side of the vehicle. Step 1. Adjust the nutsert tool so there is 3/4 of an inch from the washer to the head of the bolt. Step 2. Using a M5 Allen wrench and a 10mm wrench, install the blind nut in the opening by the tailgate pivot point. The nutsert should be tightened at least 9 360-degree turns. Mark one side of the nut and count the number of revolutions to ensure the correct number of turns. After the 9 turns, if the blind nut can still be moved or rotates, continue tightening an additional 1 to 2 turns. Recheck blind nut. Repeat as needed. Step 3. Apply thread lock to the threads of the ball mount. Install the ball mount into the nutsert using a 13mm wrench or socket. Torque to 8 foot-pounds with 13mm socket. Using a torque wrench to install the ball mount will also ensure that the blind nut has been completely installed. Step 4. Use a T50 torque socket or the wrench provided to remove the cable bolt. Then, remove the tailgate cable from the bolt. Install the bolt through the hole in the ball mount into the vehicle. Apply the provided thread lock compound to further secure the bolt. Tighten the bolt with the T50. Step 5. A Mylar sheet has been provided to help prevent components from rubbing against the truck bed and tailgate in the event that any part becomes loose. Using scissors, cut the Mylar to the size needed. Apply the Mylar to the truck bed and tailgate where tailgate assist components will be in close proximity during opening and closing. The blue lines show the area where the Mylar has been installed. The vehicle shown is an example of how the Mylar can be installed. Your vehicle may differ from the vehicle shown. Step 6. Install the cable back onto the cable bolt and the larger part of the shock on the ball mount plate. Install the narrow end of the shock on the ball mount. Periodically check the upper and lower mounting locations to ensure that parts have not loosened through repeated use. If either mounting location is found to be loose, retighten the hardware as needed.